Hello. If you're looking to grow your hair longer and thicker, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share an amazing DIY hair growth oil recipe that's all natural and super easy to make at home. Let's get started. First, let's talk ingredients and equipment. You'll need a heat-stable carrier oil like MCT, fractionated coconut, or avocado oil. Don't forget your dried rosemary, peppermint, white willow bark, and optional green tea. Also grab some vitamin E oil. For essential oils, we'll use castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, peppermint, and rosemary essential oils. Now for the tools. You'll need a kitchen scale, a heat-proof mason jar with a lid, a slow cooker, a tea towel, a laser thermometer if you have one, a sieve or cheesecloth, and a glass dropper bottle. Got everything? Awesome. Let's move on to the herbal infusion method. Combine your herbs, carrier oil, and vitamin E in the mason jar and seal it tightly. Place a towel in your slow cooker. Add water and lower your jar in. Infuse on the lowest setting for 8 to 12 hours, keeping the water temp between 120 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your infusion is done, let the oil cool completely. Then, strain the herbs using cheesecloth or a sieve, squeezing gently to get all that goodness out. Next, the essential oil blend. Mix equal parts castor oil and your chosen carrier oil. Add vitamin E and essential oils, then mix thoroughly. Transfer to a dark glass dropper bottle for storage and easy application. Applying the oil is simple. Use the dropper to apply directly to your scalp in sections. Massage with your fingers or a massage comb to stimulate blood flow. Use this oil 1 to 2 times a week before washing your hair and leave it in for 1 hour to overnight. A quick tip: use conditioner before shampooing to remove the oil effectively, and try a rosemary or vinegar rinse afterward. Before we wrap up, remember to dilute essential oils properly and always do a patch test for sensitive skin. Consult your doctor if you're on medication or experience any irritation. That's it, y'all. Give this DIY hair growth oil a try and let me know your results in the comments. For more hair care tips and recipes, visit our website. Thanks for watching and happy hair growing.